Hey, honeybees. It's me, honey. No, I. I've been wanting to say, hey, girls and gays. Today we are doing a Valentine pink themed makeup video. So I'm just going to get right into it. Do you guys have anything special planned for your Valentine's Day? You guys should be thinking about what you're going to do. It's coming up quick. I mean, so fast. And if you don't plan ahead for things, then you're waiting in line. You can't get a reservation. And we live in a small city, and that happens to us all the time. So, we like to try to plan something special ahead of time. And I can't tell you guys what it is that I want to do with Juanita because, of course, she'll probably see this video. So drop some ideas down below and let me know what you guys are going to do with your Valentines this year. First thing we're going to do is transition. Okay, so now we're going to apply the glitter. Setting spray to set your eyeshadow, and we'll clean up all the extra in just a second. I just buy loose glitter at Walmart in the craft section. Pour a little bit onto a flat surface. I use a Q-tip to apply. They're cosmetic Q-tips. I don't know how much these cost. My mother-in-law bought these for me. Thank you so much, Mama. And they are very handy, but I think they have some at Walmart too. I think I've seen some at Walmart, but these are from Dollar General. And I'll be using this side of the Q-tip, not this side. Glitter glue, shadow insurance, Too Faced glitter bonding eyeshadow primer. Okay, so now we're going to apply the lashes. Liner and lashes. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, girls and gays. I'm back. And now what we're going to do is finish everything off with a pink lip. Now, normally I don't do all of this for a day, but keep in mind this is Valentine's Day makeup. So I hope you guys like this. The lash that I used is, believe it or not, the Paris Hilton lashes. It worked. I normally use hair glue when I do my lashes and it sticks really good because, like I said before in another video, that I buy a 10 pack. It does not come with this little thing right here, but I buy this 10 pack of lashes and they come from wish.com, and no sponsor, okay, just side note of that, but anyways, it comes with all 10 of those pair for 90 cents. I'm still waiting on my 2 packs of lashes, Wish, just so y'all know. But anyways, back to these Paris Hilton lashes. I had mentioned in another video that I did not really like how these applied on, and so I tried them with this Kiss glue instead, and they work good. Now, they do come with this little glue that comes in her packaging, but I don't ever trust the glue that comes with any lashes. For some reason, it's just like doesn't feel like it works or holds good enough for me, and I have watery eyes as it is, so I just always want something that's going to keep my lashes on for the day, because by the time I spend all this time doing this makeup, I don't want these things coming off, especially if I'm out in public thinking I'm cute, I'm smiling at folks, I'm flapping my damn eyes. I'm flapping my eyes and bing, a eyelash is hanging off. That actually happened to me one time. Me and Juanita went on a date. I thought I was looking cute. Lashes was coming off. I had to rip them off at the dinner table. It was embarrassing. We didn't ever speak about it. We just left it at that. I was a beginner then. I still feel like I'm a beginner because I don't wear eyelashes enough. But just for those who are, if you're going to try these, definitely I recommend using this glue with it. Anyways, I'm gonna scoot you guys a little bit closer. Come in a little closer. Okay, so the lipstick, this lip liner that I'm using is just something that I found at Burlington Coat Factory. It came in a pack, got it years ago. It was a little cheapy, but it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip. With the lipsticks that I normally use, I don't usually have to line my lips because I always use liquid mattes. And they don't come off. Unless you eat something, of course, that's kind of oily. The lipstick that I'm going to use is Ochre color. That's the name of the color. And it is by Cocoa by Kylie. Also no sponsor. This is a liquid matte. I like this color. I've only used it once before because I have so many lipsticks. And then I'm going to go in with this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. And this is the color Prom Night. I always like to go in with something just a little shade lighter in the middle of my bottom lip. Girls and gays, what do y'all think about this? Oh my goodness. And that is it, honeybees. So I hope you guys love the finished look. I am loving this for Valentine's Day. If we go to a dinner, a movie, or just decide to stay in and I want to just get dressed up real cute just for my honey, I hope you guys love this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos coming up. Also, always remember, be blessed, be careful, be kind, and always be sweet. Love you guys. Bye.